Alrighty, yes, I'm still here. One of my black cartridges is empty. Do I have to exchange it or can I just continue printing? Especially since I'm not printing black and white, I'm printing color. Oh, good Lord. Of course you have to have the cartridge. I don't care what you're printing. If the printer has 4 cartridges, all 4 have to be active. 5, all 5 have to be active. 9, all 9 have to be active, and so on. 12, yes, sir, and or madam. All 12 have to be active. That means that the chips need to be reporting at least above empty level, ink levels, that is. Otherwise, you just cannot print. You cannot just say, well, I'm not going to be using yellow, so I can continue printing just because my yellow cartridge is empty. No, you cannot. Okay, you have to have a complete set of cartridges with chips that are reporting above empty levels to continue to print. Okay, anything else, it will not allow you to print. Now, some Canon printers, you can continue printing, you know what I mean, by disabling ink monitoring. That is not a very smart thing to do. Okay, on certain printers, don't do that. You're just going to have to replace that cartridge. If you're refilling it, it's not a problem at all. Reset it, top it off, pop it back in. Okay, after you test ink flow, Pro 100 is very easy. Reset, top off, put it back. If you have extra sets, again, no problem. You can let this one sit until you need it next time. That is it, but you do have to have all, whatever number of cartridges your printer uses, all of them have to be installed. You cannot just have, partial, okay? Some people think that you can get away with that, but you cannot, okay? So, before I go, how many cartridges do you need to have active? All of them, right? All right. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. This was the world record shortest video I've ever made. Thank you so much again. Happy printing, everybody. Keep your cartridges at least above empty. All right? Bye-bye, everyone.